Good morning. It's Thanksgiving Monday, and we have decided to actually start decorating the house. And I want to show you on how we transform our 120-year-old house into a 120-year-old haunted house.
Right here, on this ground where we are standing, holding dreams with open hands against the sky. So clear, it's better than we planned it. This rising sun was meant for you and I. We see it now, the story comes together. Beauty lives in every chapter. We feel it now, nothing could be better. You and me, chasing down forever after. This truth.
Before that can start all happening, I need a coffee. My third one. My back has not been that great, so I have to watch very much on what I'm doing. I went down into the basement last night and started unpacking some of my Halloween things that I haven't seen for a number of years. So let's head downstairs and let me show you what I have to put on my house. And for some reason, I'm missing things. I have no idea where I put these things that were delivered, and just never made it to my Halloween pile. No idea where they are. Hope to find it. So, in order to capture it all, I'm trying to put one of my cameras outside, do a time lapse. Hopefully I can show that to you and showcase on how the house went from normal 120-year-old house to a haunted mansion. I'm not sure if I can get it done all today. I doubt it. There's lots to do, but it will probably be a little bit over a few days. But you're gonna see the end result. Stay tuned till the end of the video. So this is my basement. I don't think I've ever shown anyone the basement. And let's go down there and let me show you what that looks like. That is what gives me back pain. So have to watch it because the ceilings are 6 foot with a lot of piping and heating duct that I have to duck down, and that causes me a lot of pain. Okay, anyway, let me show you. That is really gonna be the scariest part, and as you can see, I actually hit the ceiling, and these pipes cause me a lot of headache and backache. So I'm trying to be careful. Ooh, there's just stuff everywhere. To not hit my head while I'm down here. So can show you around a little bit more on what the basement looks like, but it's pretty messy right now. Haven't really cleaned it because of all the Halloween stuff that's out there. There we go. Got some wood back there that we had to bring down. Our heating system has a cold storage room back there. And then lots of paint, our Christmas stuff. Ooh, creepy. And oil tank, etc. So it's a pretty good storage place for us, which I like. So, ow! See, hear it? Constant hitting my head. But it is what it is. It's just the way we have to deal with it. Watching ahead and going now outside, putting it all where it belongs. That's gonna be interesting. Ed here, I had for 15 years. And he's wiggly a little bit. Had him for a long time. He used to turn his head. I hope I fixed it last night. He's quite spooky. He freaks me out more than Frank here does. Who does look at me. Gives me goosebumps. Anyway. Ooh. What I want to try is really see if we can turn Ed on to see if he works. So let's. Head is not turning. Obviously it didn't work. So I give up. I tried it 3 times, but.
So glad you could make it.
But he's alive. Time for another coffee. So coffee it is, and then I'm getting eaten by mosquitoes, believe it or not. October, still some of them around, but my back is holding up. So yeah, some great ideas. We'll see and have to wait for the end results. Gonna be amazing. Well, getting to the end, getting pooped. Sun is shining though, beautiful day. My back, it's okay, sort of, but let me turn it around and show you what I've done so far. There's a few more things I want to do today and then show you the rest. And then maybe see if we can do some tonight. I have to be a little bit more in the shade. It's sunny, it's beautiful, but today I'm done. I think it's now 6 hours and we got the majority of things done. The little teeny little things, spider webs, spiders, etc. are still going to be put on in the next few days, but I'll try to show you. And as you can see, it's coming along. Slowly but sure. So yeah, the next day, still got some stuff to do, but it's gonna be okay. It's not much more, majority's done, and my back is okay, so Actually, not that bad. It's a little fresh this morning, but sunny, as you can see. So it's beautiful. And it's gonna look amazing. Can't wait, Halloween is here. Come on and have a look if you're in the area. Ooh, sun. Added a few more spider webs today and spiders. That's what it looks like now. And some of the ghosts back there. So, almost done. It's been a week. And here's my newest addition. I love him. Let me turn it around and show you.
You are all mine. No matter if you are royalty or peasants, I will cut you down in time. There can be no escape. Your soul is mine.
Now he's cool. He's 7 feet tall. I can't bring him into one picture frame, so I will actually put him outside around Halloween, a little bit closer. I keep him inside right now. It's quite like, because of the tallness, I'm afraid he's going to fall over and all that, and where I want to put him. I don't want to get him totally wet yet, but that's my latest addition, the Grim Reaper. He's so cool. And let me show you some other things that I've added, and then close it off. This is what I have so far. There's definitely a lot more I'm gonna be putting out around Halloween. And for now, it's just for people to show. And then I'll make a video of more of the Halloween houses around here. And the houses, not the houses, the house here as well, what it looks like at night, once it's all done. So please come if you're in Summerside and have a look at the house. And if you have children, please bring them along. I'm more than happy to. We have enough chocolate, so we will be very happy to see you.
Yes, you are right to cower in fear. Your actions have brought me up to this point, and I will not leave until I have another soul for the taking.
So that's for my Halloween house as far it is right now. If you're in Summerside, please come by and say hello. Have a look, bring your children. We get a lot of chocolate here Halloween night. I hope we can do it where COVID is not interfering with anything. But do come and have a look. Tell your friends, tell other children. That's really what we want. We do this for the kids. My kids are adults, so we're not doing that anymore. But we don't do that anymore for them. We do it for other children now. So please come by. Anyway, next week we'll see what we're going to showcase. Maybe some more of the fall that is happening on PEI or more Halloween houses that are going to be around. We'll see. Maybe closer to Halloween. Might be a flip-flop on there. So again, this is how we live in Canada. This is how we decorate a 120-year-old mansion or Victorian home, a little mansion. And that's how we live in Canada. Canadian life. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video as quickly as you can. And share it with your friends and family. See you next time.